Welcome to our tutorial on understanding the different types of hydroponic systems for beginners. Hydroponics is a method of growing plants without soil, using water and nutrient solutions instead. The first type of hydroponic system is the deep water culture, DWC. In this system, plants float on a nutrient-rich solution, and their roots are submerged in water. Another type is the nutrient film technique, NFT system. Here, a thin film of nutrient solution flows over the roots, providing them with the necessary nutrients. The ebb and flow system is next on the list. It works by periodically flooding the roots with nutrient solution and then draining it away. The drip system is a commonly used hydroponic method. Nutrient solution is dripped onto the base of each plant, allowing the roots to absorb what they need. The aeroponic system is a high-tech option where plant roots are suspended in air and periodically misted with nutrient solution. Now that you understand the basic types of hydroponic systems, let's move on to the next set of systems. The wick system is perfect for beginners. It uses a wicking material to draw nutrient solution from a reservoir to the plant's roots. The float system is similar to the wick system but uses a floating platform to keep the plants afloat and in contact with the nutrient solution. The aeroponic fog system is another advanced technique where nutrient solution is atomized into a fine mist, continually enveloping the plant roots. The autopot system is a versatile option that uses gravity and a valve system to automatically deliver nutrient solution to plants as needed. A popular choice for indoor gardening is the vertical garden system. Plants are grown vertically on stacked trays, maximizing space efficiency. The Dutch bucket system is another excellent choice for beginners. Each plant is placed in a separate bucket filled with an inert medium like perlite, and nutrient solution is manually added. The NFT drip hybrid system combines the benefits of both the nutrient film technique and the drip system, allowing for more precise control over nutrient delivery. The zip grow tower system is perfect for growing small leafy greens. Plants are grown vertically in towers with a constant flow of nutrient solution. The aeroponic NFT hybrid system provides the benefits of both techniques, with plant roots suspended in air and a thin film of nutrient solution flowing over their roots. The bioponic system combines aquaculture with hydroponics. Fish waste provides nutrients for the plants, while the plants clean the water for the fish. Each of these hydroponic systems has its advantages and disadvantages, so consider your needs and resources before deciding on one. Congratulations! You now have a good understanding of the different types of hydroponic systems for beginners and can choose the one that suits you best.